Nyakorongo jong machiegni kende okang' mogik mancheno mar mbako rombo kiny makawuono waloso kotenre koda sekta mano mar somo gisani adaro dhi e achiel kachiel aneno ka jagoro maduong' mano mar KMPDU David Atela loso ahinya nyako tenre kod ywak mago mag jotije mago mag piny owacho jafwambo marwa Sifto Sokinda nitiere romo makamano onyane Davji wachango gisani.
That is the concern we have. The second issue that we also cannot bury our heads in is that the county governments, some of them have gone rogue, and have gone rogue to a greater extent. We have, as we talk today, 83 days for the doctors' strike in Kiambu County. It means that the people of Kiambu County, despite paying taxes, despite electing MCAs and the MPs and the elected leaders, including the governors, they have no care for the last 3 months. Yesterday I received a letter from the Ministry of Health to the governor of Kiambu County, where all the interns there are going to be withdrawn. The minister has indicated to the Kiambu governor that by 1st of September, if the strike is not concluded, then it means the over 695 interns will have to be relocated or redeployed to other facilities. I'm talking about 138 medical officers, 48 pharmacists, 5 dentists, 299 nurses, and about 75 medical officers. So all these interns, about 700 of them are going to be redeployed by 1st of September. One thing that is clear in Kiambu County is that the county governments are not ready to handle the healthcare workers. They're not ready to give the healthcare that is expected, because there's no way a governor, there's no way county employees, county government will bury its heads in sand when healthcare is not being provided. We have over 200 preventable deaths that have occurred in Kiambu County in the last 3 months, where they employed 44 new doctors there to handle cases that they cannot handle. So in reality, we cannot talk about national health care when counties are doing their own things that are actually impeding that health care that we need. Thank you. Any questions?
Comrades, power.
Power.
Comrades, power.
Power.
Thank you very much. My name is Odipo Nicholas. I'm the national chairman of Kenya National Union of Medical Laboratory Officers. As we stand here, we want to call upon the county government that our workers cannot continue working without pay. People have to be paid, because that is what is making them to wake up every morning and attend to patients. You don't really expect people to work without pay. Number two, this is a strong message to Cabinet Secretary for Health, Honorable Aden Duale. The issue of UHC should be disposed of by now. The money is there, but we are seeing a lot of bureaucracy, and we don't know where that bureaucracy is coming from. Ministry of Health did not ask for that money. It is us, the unions and the USC workers, who went on the streets and ensured that a budget is allocated of 606.2 billion to absorb UHC workers into permanent and pensionable terms. Today, as we speak, the process has delayed with 2 months, meaning we are starting another problem of backdating the absorption of UHCs. We want to tell him that please show leadership and absorb UHC into permanent and pensionable basis. And as it has been said, by 1st, if those salaries will not be harmonized, then we are still strong. We will go back to street. Asanteni sana.
Thank you.
Any questions? No, I don't. There's no strike in Pumwe that I know of at the moment, unless my colleagues. Is there any strike? No. There's no strike that.
It's because of the salary.
But it's because salaries. They don't have transport to go to work.
There is an ongoing strike in Nairobi, Comrades Power, I think it's good to make it so clear that all the healthcare workers in Nairobi are meeting in City Hall because of the issue about the salaries, over their salaries delays, because you have not been paid for the last close to 1 month. So that's why 2 months. That's why there's actually no work in Pumwani. There's no work in Mama Lucy and across all the facilities in Nairobi. So you're actually very correct. All our colleagues are outside. Thank you.